Morning, Dad. Morning, guys.
There's a motivational quote that I was thinking into my heart, and it says, break through your own limitations. There are things that can be limiting yourself right now. It can be at the firing range, it can be PE, or in every aspect that you are involving yourself in during the 40 minutes of training. But I just want to say something this morning. We are all an overcomer. Amen. So it means through Christ we overcome our situations, overcome circumstances in life which we are facing right now. Because we believe in what He did in Calvary more than 2,000 years back. Thankful in our life right now. So today I'm going to sing a song. It says, Lord, I long to see you face to face. It means every circumstances, every situation that we may come across in our life, we are overcome because of what He did in Calvary more than 2,000 years back. So whatever you're going through right now, it might seem difficult to you, but just believe in yourself. Have faith in what the Lord has in your heart, because He also believes in you. If He overcome what He did in Calvary more than 2,000 years back, so you are also